Hello and welcome. Today's video is about poorly performing QTZ and AIR tokens, Acala NFTs and the bridge between Polkadot and Acala, and also about an arbitrage with remark tokens between Kucoin and Karura DEX. First, QTZ token is trading. Yesterday MEXC listed QTZ and probably everyone was unpleasantly surprised by how low the initial price was. Later on there was spike up to 12 cents. But since then QTZ dumped again and is currently trading at 5 cents. I have sold my 15% unlocked for 7 cents as I was hoping to collect some stables to scoop up more glimmer on February 20th and also remark tokens, but with QTZ this plan didn't really work out. Later in the evening we also got AIR listing on Kraken, which was quite surprising since there was no announcement giving at least few hours notice. Also the price of AIR token is quite disappointing. No initial spike, started trading at around 25 cents and the current price is 17 cents. Quite naturally, many members of Altair and Quartz community were disappointed with the price of AIR and QTZ, me included. I expected around 30 to 40 cents for QTZ and between 20 to 30 cents for AIR token. I believe there might be three main causes for such a low price of AIR and QTZ tokens. First, crypto market is still very much in fear and there is still quite a lot of uncertainty in the market. Yes, Bitcoin somewhat recovered and on Monday we got some very bullish news from accounting company KPMG investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum, but the market with altcoins is still pretty much dead and is showing only first slight signs of recovery. The second reason might be that the general demand for Kusama parachains has been gradually decreasing since last September. Even the best parachains like Moonriver, Karura and Shiden have been performing quite bad. It might be that the value and interest shifts to Polkadot parachain and it will remain like that for good. In the long term, I believe only the parachains which will exist only on Kusama, like Zeitgeist and Subsocial, will be a good choice to invest in. Similarly, projects which have one token for both networks like Kilt and Integrity. It seems that parachains which are supposed to serve purely as a test ground for the Polkadot parachains like Quartz, Shiden or Calamari will struggle more and more in terms of market valuation and price of their native token. The third reason is currently very low hype about Unique Network and Quartz in general. This was clear during Unique token sale at the beginning of January when the tokens were not sold out, indicating a low demand for Unique despite quite a favorable price of 25 cents. I also think Unique team struggles with explaining what is the use case of Unique Network. It makes sense that growing the community is much harder for an NFT blockchain providing critical infrastructure for NFT projects than for metaverse blockchain like BitCountry, because metaverse is simply extremely hot topic right now. However, this doesn't change anything on the fact that I'm very bullish on Unique Network in the long term, and once Unique secures a slot on Polkadot in the second quarter this year, I believe the demand for the native token of Unique Network will grow substantially. And despite very low return from Quartz crowd loan itself, it gave us the chance to participate in Unique Network token sale. Now, Acala update. Acala has distributed NFTs to crowdloan contributors. They distributed both NFTs for participating in Acala crowdloan as well as for finishing Acala quests. You can check your Acala NFT by going to Acala App, up here connect your address, then click on your assets and under collectibles you will see your Acala NFT. You can transfer those NFTs between your Acala wallets, but as far as I know, at the moment there is no marketplace to sell your Acala NFTs. So for now we are kind of forced to hold these NFTs, which might come in handy later on once DeFi dApps are built on Acala network, as these NFTs could be later utilized on those dApps to boost your staking and liquidity rewards. Another update is a big one. Acala launched a bridge between Polkadot and Acala, which enables you to transfer your DOT tokens from Polkadot to Acala. Now remember, for now this bridge is only one way, meaning you can transfer DOT from Polkadot to Acala, but not back. This limitation is only temporary, and once cross-chain messaging upgrade will be completed, bridging DOT from Acala back to Polkadot will be enabled. It should only take few more weeks for Polkadot's XCM to be enabled. Once you transfer your DOT to Acala network, you will see your transfer DOT up here in your assets. Tomorrow the first liquidity pool will be launched. It will be DOT and LC.pair, so swapping between DOT and LC DOT will be possible already tomorrow. The bootstrapping for this DOT and LC DOT pair has already begun. The liquidity target has already been reached, so tomorrow, February 10th, the bootstrap ends and DOT and LC DOT trading pair will be launched. You can see the current exchange ratio is 1 DOT for 2.92 LC DOT, which is very high in favor of DOT, and this ratio is also very favorable if you are a long-term DOT holder. If this ratio remains also once the trading goes live tomorrow, you will be able to trade 1 DOT and you will receive 2.92 LC DOT, which will be really very tempting and easy way how to substantially grow your DOT bags. However, I would expect the ratio will see a huge correction once the trading goes live. The ratio will be constantly changing and fluctuating, so this is not the final ratio. You can already provide liquidity within this bootstrapping period. You can either deposit one token, either only DOT or LC DOT, or you can deposit both tokens. You will be also able to provide liquidity after bootstrapping ends tomorrow, but then you will have to provide both tokens at the same value. For providing liquidity in this DOT-LC pair, you will receive a portion from trading fees, and you will be also able to stake your LP token to receive liquidity rewards in ACA tokens. Very soon Acala team plans to launch 2 more trading pairs. The next one will be LC DOT and AUSD stablecoin, and also ACA and AUSD pair. For providing liquidity in any of these 3 pairs, you will receive trading fees as well as ACA liquidity rewards based on your share in liquidity pool. So before ACA staking through AquaDAO goes live in a few weeks, providing liquidity with your ACA in these trading pairs can be a great way how to utilize your ACA tokens. But always be mindful of possible impermanent loss which you might suffer from these liquidity pools. The only pool without any impermanent loss should be LC DOT pair. And at the end of a small tip how to arbitrage and take advantage of the different prices of a token on 2 different exchanges. On Monday I noticed quite a big difference of RMRK token price between Kucoin and Karura DEX. As you likely know, RMRK token has been trading on Karura DEX for some time already. The difference was almost $3. On Kucoin, RMRK was trading for $21.5, while on Karura DEX only for $18.8. Thus, the difference was $2.7, which was around 12%. And the difference between the price of RMRK on Karura and Kucoin is still there. Currently, RMRK is trading on Kucoin for $21.1, while on Karura DEX you can get 1 RMRK for 19k USD. Since on Monday I still kept some RMRK tokens in my wallet on StateMine chain, I transferred RMRK to Kucoin. I sold it there for $21.5, but naturally I could not transfer USDT to Karura DEX, so I needed to use some other token to transfer the money, or rather the value, to Karura DEX to buy RMRK there for a cheaper price for those $18.7. I have decided to use KAR token to transfer the value from Kucoin to Karura DEX, then to sell KAR for KUSD on Karura DEX, and then to purchase RMRK with those KUSDs. Now the only problem was that on Kucoin the trading price of KAR token was at that time $2.10, while on Karura DEX KAR token was trading for $2.02, which means I had to intentionally realize 8 cents loss on each KAR token, which was around 4% loss, but it was still okay, since even though I lost some 4% on each KR, I managed to purchase RMRK on Karura DEX by 12% cheaper than what I sold it for on Kucoin. So at first I lost 4% of my capital due to selling KR token on Karura DEX, but then I was able to purchase RMRK tokens 12% cheaper on Karura DEX. So that 12% cheaper purchase price of RMRK token on Karura compensated for 4% loss that I suffered from purchasing KR on Kucoin and selling it on Karura DEX for KUSD stablecoin. So within an hour I managed to make around 8 extra RMRK tokens just by this simple arbitrage. The discrepancy of the price between exchanges is usually not this big, but when it happens that the difference is around 10%, it usually lasts only for a short period of time, so you need to take advantage of that very quickly. Now the only problem for me which resulted from this arbitrage is that I keep most of my RMRK on Karura network. That means I cannot transfer them back to StateMine, and there is still no bridge between Karura and Moonriver to transfer the mark to Moonriver for the land sale in Canary Sky Bridge. So hopefully the bridge between Karura and Moonriver will be launched soon, once Polkadot completes XCM upgrade and most importantly before the land sale. The Canary Sky Bridge land sale will be carried out on Moonriver network, so you will have to hold your remark tokens on Moonriver to participate in the land sale. Please let me know if you sold your unlocked AIR and QTZ tokens or if you still hold them hoping to sell later for a higher price, and you are also welcome to join our crypto community on Telegram. Thank you very much for watching and bye bye.